Is it? Meet you. Come on. Back out at the Ochil Hills, and as I was setting up the camera there, a guy come past with his army bergen on, doing some training, and I got the fright of my life because I was setting up the camera and I just turned round and he was there. So talking about scary camps like in the last film, well, that was a scary moment. I really wasn't expecting that when I turned round. Now, beautiful views up here, it really is. Now, the camp I done in the last video was actually the hill opposite, just to the right of that reservoir, and you can actually see the two reservoirs here. And matter of fact, just straight ahead of the camera, you've got Ben Vorlich in the distance, and the views from this particular hill are just beautiful. And over to the slight right here, that's Ben Hornsey, probably just above my head. That's Ben Hornsey, and basically to the right or behind the camera, you've actually got east and west Lomond, which you can see in the distance. What a place. It's, as I said in my last video, I haven't done much exploring here, but just look at the hills, and there's just so many places you go wandering and exploring here. It could be a really immense place to camp in the winter as well. But time to get the food on and have something to eat. looking forward to this coffee. It's getting bitterly cold and I'm going to have one of my deluxe combos, which is a hot chocolate and a coffee mixed together. And there we go. Nice rolling boil. Perfect. Now I have started using my PocketRocket 2 stove, more so because it's better in the wind and this time of year than my ultralight one, which that's ideal for during the summer. Bar. Well, that's me ready to retire for the evening. It's been a great camp so far, really enjoying it, and I have my audiobook to listen to or continue with, and it was a James Herbert book called Domain about the riots, and so far really enjoying it. Really enjoying listening to an audiobook. It's not something I've normally done, but enjoying it so far. So I might have to get some more stuff downloaded. But yeah, a great wild camp. What a place. It's just really handy being so local to me to just nip up here if I want to camp. And the views round about, I was surprised with this hill. Didn't know what to expect when I got here, but it's just been excellent. Don't know what's going to happen in the morning in regards to a sunrise, because I never even checked the weather forecast, to be honest. Just went for a camp and take what comes. So we'll see what happens in the morning, if it's all good or all bad.
The first bomb exploded just a few thousand feet above Hyde Park. Its energy release, in the forms of radiation, light, heat, sound, and blast, the equivalent of 1 million tons of TNT. The sirens that had warned of the missile and its companion's approach were but a thin squeal to the giant roar of its arrival.
Is it? Come here, you. Come on. An interesting way to end the trip, trying to rescue a dog. It's stuck on the other side of the reservoir and we're waiting on the owners coming up, and then we'll go across in the boat and hopefully retrieve it. We tried calling to it but it just kept running away, so nothing more we can do. So I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. It's been an interesting one to say the least. Poor dog. So that's it from the Ochil Hills, and until the next time, take care.